Good afternoon, all of you. Hope I am audible. Please chat in the chat box whether my voice is audible or not. Please chat in the chat box whether my voice is audible or not. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Fine. Okay. So once again, a very happy afternoon, everybody. So I hope everybody is safe, happy, healthy, fine, and enjoying lockdown. Let's all wait for 2 more minutes and then start the session. Okay, fine. So, okay, ma'am, for some people it's not connecting. Oh, I see. Maybe the limitation is only 100 only, because of that, I think. Fine. Actually, this version is supposed to be the unlimited number of participants, but somehow it is taking only 100. So as of today, we'll go with 100 participants. I'll look into the issue and try to sort it out by the next session. Okay, but just for today, let's go with first come, first serve. Okay, you are the lucky ones who have come first. So let me serve you with the content today about the soft skills. Okay, so everybody agrees? Fine, good. So a very good positive response and active participation from your sides. Thank you. So before I start my session, I formally welcome you all to the final year, because now you are so-called final year students, the last phase of your engineering or BTech life. Anyhow, once again, a formal welcome, and I wish you all the best to come out in flying colors in the coming year. Good. Fine. So, today, I just want to give the outline of the training session. What is the main purpose of our training and all? So before I start my session, I have a question. The question is, why you people took admission in BTech? I want response in the chat box. Yes, everybody. I once again repeat, what is the, I'm trying to make you people analyze, why are you in CRD College of Engineering? Why do you have taken admission? What is the purpose of that? Yes, please. Pursue a good job. Okay, fine, good. And to get good job in Central, very good, good. And please give the response in the chat box. What is the purpose of you joining in engineering? Okay, to fulfill your career objective. Good. Okay, so if we go to the flashback of few years, you have completed your intermediate, you have done your 10th and schooling and all with only one target, that is, like as you said just now in the chat box, that is to get a job. So My dear students, let me remind you, you are just one step ahead to your target. You are just one step ahead to your target. See, just recollect, how many of you have come to college in BTech life without having breakfast to the class? Yes? Can I have the response in the chat box? Yes. How many of you? Yeah, you. Yes. Very good. Yeah. Yes, yes, yes. Many times, many times. Maybe you might have come without taking breakfast. Yeah. One more question I have. My question is, how many of you have attended your intermediate college though you are sick? Yes, anybody? Yes, anybody? Response, please. Oh my goodness. Response, please. Hotspots, please. Hotspot. Your schooling, though you were not interested to, though you wanted to take a break and be at home and have a nice nap at home, but still you attended your schooling. How many of you? Yes, please, in the chat box. Can I have your, I think you have poor internet connection. Yeah, just now there was a power cut here unexpectedly, and we have to accept it, obviously. So, yes, yes, I agree. But let us go with, am I audible now? Is it okay now? Okay, right. Okay, okay. Thank you. Right, right, right. Voice is breaking. I see. Okay. Okay. I'll try to manage. I'll try to manage. Fine. So, most of you have come to classes without having breakfast, and you, though you are not feeling well, you attended the college and intermediate and all, and the same with the schooling, you want to have a break, you want to be at home, but still because of parents pressure and all, somehow you used to land in the school. So all this from K to 12 and even BTech, from LKG to BTech, okay, you have faced so many obstacles, and finally for only one purpose. And just remember, just recollect, just go back. I don't know whether you remember or not. The first day of your school in LKG, your parents, they were not happy to send you. They were also not happy to send you, because parting, it's very painful for parents. Or the first time leaving the kid in the school and all, it's painful. But still, parents do that. Parents do that for the sake of dash. You will fill the blank. Parents, though it is painful to part from 3 years old kid, still they go, they drag you, they pull you, they lift you and leave you in the K school, LKG and all, in kindergarten. For what purpose? All these sacrifices for what purpose are being done? Yes, chat box, please. Yes, for your future, exactly. For your bright future, exactly. So for your bright future, your parents have taken so much of pain, and finally, and you were also taking so much of pains and so many hurdles and all, and finally you came to the last step of your BTech life. And few more months are there in your hands, only few more months. Now, at this scenario, are you ready to face the interview? That's my next question. Of course, it is a bit critical question, but still you should be dare enough and bold enough to answer this. My question, I repeat once again, are you ready to face the interview? Or let me change my question. Are you ready or are you capable of cracking a job? Yes, responses please. I welcome the responses. No, no ma'am. Partially ready, okay. But we'll try. Okay, okay, okay. Good, good. Yes. Okay. So, yes, yes, ma'am. But with some negative points. Okay. See, who is perfect? Nobody in this world is perfect. Nobody except God. So no worries about that. Except God, nobody is perfect. We all are learners till the last breath of our life. You know, everybody, every human being is a learner till the last breath of life. So need not worry about that. Yes. So coming back to our discussion, I'm just trying to discuss. You see, I'm not teaching you anything. I'm just trying to discuss. Okay. I'm just trying you people to make analysis where you are, what for you are, and what you are supposed to be. That's my actually the purpose. Just a minute. Yeah, I'm back. So my question is, how far you are ready? That was my question. So some of you said that you are almost ready. Some of you gave response that you are planning. Some of you no, not up to the mark. Some of you thinking to get ready. Okay, fine. So let me tell you. Before I go to that topic, I just want to ask you for few more questions. Yes, yes, I want to ask few more questions. My question is, what is the speciality of 2020? Yes, I want responses very fastly. Come on, what is the speciality of 2020? Disasters, exactly. And Corona, online classes, ma'am. Yes, 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 yes. Just 2020. Yes, study from home. Good. A new approach. Right. Dream of Abdul Kalam. Oh, good, good. Corona. Okay, fine, fine, fine. Yes, PUBG is banned. Okay, and self-study. Yes, some break from all. Yes, with families, get together with and spending quality time with family members. I believe digital education. Yes, yes, yes. Yeah, very good responses. So, as you said, this this year 2020 is global pandemic crisis. This year is experiencing, this is a big problem, not just to India or not just to Asian countries or not just to certain area, but it's global pandemic crisis it is called. It is called GPC. What is it? Global pandemic crisis. Now, I have a question, one more question. Question is, what is the speciality of 2008? Responses, please. Weight loss. Oh, who's that weight loss? And rest. Yes. Okay. Okay, I have missed some responses. Okay, doing her work, financial crisis. Yes, yes, global financial crisis. 2008 is a global financial crisis year, and after that, again, this is that is called recession period. It is called a period of recession, and even 2020 is also a period of recession where the job market and financial sector, education sector, everything will be affected. Okay, but the difference between 2008, that is global financial crisis GFC, and 2020, that is GPC, the difference is at that time it was only the financial sector which was affecting much. I mean, financial way only the people were facing problems, but now it was a financial issue. But today it is, along with financial issue, it is health issue also, health crisis too. Okay, health crisis. In 2008, when during that recession period there were also BTech students at that time. There were BTech students at that time, just like you people and your senior batch people. They were able to crack the jobs. Of course, let me mention one important point, but the number of jobs were very few. Number of jobs were very few at that time because it was a financial, you see, now jobs and all, everything will be stopped. You see, everything will be locked down. No opening for jobs and no openings for the freshers and all. That time also, there were students who were able to get placed in the companies. Openings were there. And in the same way, now also during this GPC, global pandemic crisis, which is affecting both financial sector and health sector, now also that problem, this recession problem, the recession period is having the problem of placements. But still, placements are going on in a big way. Placements are going on in a big way, but little bit of competition is high. You have to compete, you have to struggle for the, you have to struggle to get placed in the this one. It is not that there are no job openings. No, it's not at all like that. Recently, like 15-20 days back also in the CRR Women's College, our students, we go for CRT and all, no? They were approaching us, madam, we are going to attend the interview. What are the things? I'm telling you this for graduation people. So obviously you people also are having jobs and placements in a big way. Point to remember is how far you are prepared for that. That is important. That is important. That is the area on which you are supposed to focus. You see, I told you, you are just one step ahead to reach your job. Okay, reach your target, and the duration in which you are is very crucial one. So in these two things, if you consider, you should understand that you have to put much more efforts. I know one thing, I always see a sort of tension in the final year students. As they don't express this, they express it. So, so you should prepare yourself to face the job market. Okay, in order to get placed in the companies, what are the things which you think that are required? Please chat in the chat box. Once again, I'm giving you 30 seconds of time. Think of and tell me what are the things which are supposed to be needed to get placed in the companies. Yes, please. Please chat in the chat box. Give your responses there. Technically good communication skills, coding and communication, exactly, communication skills and presentation skills, good enough braveness, that is obviously required. Okay, good. And and good English. Okay, and can I have few more responses? Coding knowledge, aptitude and positive. Okay, attitude. Okay, problem solving skills. Okay, good. Our way of behavior, that is also is required. Yes, correct. Your way of behavior is also required. Okay. Sportiness, honesty. Okay. Good. Good. And anything else? Yeah, good body language. Yes, correct. Soft skills. Yes, required. You forgot one thing. And coding skills, good. Good knowledge of what? Waiting for your more responses. Communication skills, good. Good resume. Yes. So all these are required to get placed in the company. Let me sum up. The first thing what you require to get placed in the company is the first one. Yes, what is the first one? Tell me. Yes, very fastly, please type. What is the first requirement? What is the first requirement to get placed in the company? That's my question. Please give a response. I'm waiting for your response. Very first one. I see all these you gave. Very first one I'm asking. Aptitude. No, not aptitude. Introduction. Oh, degree. Yeah, your BTech certificate, you know. Exactly. Hit the nail on the head. Who's that? Somewhere I'm missing. Okay, anyhow, good response. Very good. Thank you. So the first thing what you require is your BTech course completion certificate. What is required? BTech course completion certificate. Madam, I got 95% of attendance in BTech and I will get a job. No, that's not true. That's not at all true. That is your BTech certificate. I tell you, if you all want to go for a movie, what you buy? Responses please in the chat box. If I repeat my, yeah, ticket you want, right? And you buy the ticket, maybe online or offline, you buy the ticket, you go to the movie theater. After going there, at the entrance of the movie theater, you know, you had to show the ticket. Then only you will be allowed into the movie theater. Okay? Am I correct? Yes. Your BTech certificate is the ticket to enter into the interview hall. I repeat once again, your BTech course completion certificate is a ticket to enter into the interview hall. Exact. Agreed or not agreed? Responses, please. How many of you agree with me? Hand raise. Yes. Yeah, thank you. Have to agree, right? So your BTech certificate with a good aggregate is an entry ticket into the interview hall. Thank you for your response. Into the interview hall. Once after you enter into the interview, what all you need is, see, I'm saying that it is an entry ticket, but I don't mean it that it is waste. No, the knowledge whatever you attain in these 4 years of BTech life, okay, that knowledge should be converted into skill. I repeat once again, in these 4 years, different technical knowledge you have. You see, whatever the stream may be, maybe CSE, maybe ECE, maybe whatever branch or whatever stream you belongs to. But you have the knowledge, whatever you pursue in this, you attain in these 4 years, that knowledge you have to convert it into a skill. That skill you should be in a position to communicate to people. I repeat once again, the knowledge whatever you are getting in your BTech 4 years of life, that knowledge you should be in a position to convert into the skill. And that skill should be applied. That application part, you know, that is the point where exactly we click. Got it? Hope I'm able to, am I reachable? Am I able to make you people understand? Are you able to follow what exactly I mean? Yes? Response, please. Are you able to understand what I mean? Yes. Okay. Thank you, ma. Okay, fine. So what my point here is, you should have BTech certificate. The first criteria, of course, I think, just that's what I said. I'm not teaching you anything. You know everything. I'm just trying to make you analyze the situation. That's it. Okay. So BTech certificate, the knowledge what you get while pursuing this BTech, that knowledge should be converted into skill. The second one is the technical trend, whatever is going on in the job market. The trend, it always changes. It changes. It will be updated. If you are not updated, you will be outdated. So you should know what technical trend is going on, happening in the job market. That you should know. That specifically you should learn it. You should be updated in that area. First one is BTech certificate. The knowledge what you attained there should be converted into skill. And then second one is your technical trend, whatever. You should have basic technical knowledge of your particular stream, maybe CSE, maybe IT, maybe EEE, whatever. Okay, that and along with that, the trend now, as you said, coding. Okay, you should be updated in that. And then comes, you go to any interview, the first thing what they ask you is a written test. I think you all know, by this time you should know. The first stage is a written test, and then followed by PR round, and then followed by GD round, JAM. Depends upon the company. Each company, they follow their own different styles too for the selection process and all. Okay, fine. Okay, but the first one is the written test, in which they cover vocabulary, aptitude, and technical questions. I repeat, they cover vocabulary, aptitude, and the technical questions. And again, here also, depending upon the company, if it is like Infosys, okay, vocabulary will be much focused. If you are able to crack that, finish, you are almost done with Infosys. With Tech Mahindra, it's not like that. Okay, they don't give much importance to the vocabulary and all. They give much importance to like technical skills like email writing, etc. and all. So depends upon the company again, but definitely that will be covered. What is covered? The what is that? Aptitude, okay, and the vocabulary. Okay, and then also, which also includes the interview skills, soft skills, so-called communication skills. Let us say, I told you the third round, group discussion, or what is that, JAM and all. Okay, how can you communicate the knowledge, whatever you have, without having grip over the communication skills? Nobody is expecting in the companies like, yeah, we want only the experts of. No, people are just expecting a candidate who can understand simple English and who can speak simple English. That's it. Not much expectations from the candidate. In case if they are weak in certain areas also, after once you get placed in the company in the beginning, you'll be given the training. You'll be given the training. At that time, specifically in which area you want them to be, you want them to get updated, they will train again, depending upon the requirement, the platforms and the projects, etc. Okay, but basics you should have. Minimum. They're not expecting much. They are not expecting the experts. No, not at all. No. So minimum, are you able to communicate simple English? Are you able to understand simple English? That's it. That's it. So first one is your BTech course completion certificate, and then your technical skills, the knowledge what you get from your department, subjects and all. Along with that, you should update yourself with the trend, technical trend you should update with. And third one is the aptitude and soft skills, which we are going to not teach you, just train. That's it. We are going to give just only the outline. We can help you. That's it. We can support you. That's it. Okay, I don't promise you that I will just make you like this. No, we can only support you. Okay, but I give you assurance that we TNPSL people, we are going to support you in whatever area in which you are required of. Okay, unless and until you cooperate. Okay, fine. So, and then, so these are the main requirements to get the placement. So you should think on these points, like, yeah, am I having the proper good aggregate? First question, what you are supposed to pose to yourself. Am I good at technical skills? Your stream knowledge and all. Okay, and am I good? Am I having the updated knowledge? What is going on outside in the trend followed in the job market? And next, am I able to communicate in English fluently in a simple, understandable way? That is the question which you are supposed to pose to yourself. Can I solve simple aptitude questions which will be asked in the written test? These are the areas. Yeah, you will be also having that. We'll cover HR round questions also. Very seems to be simple, but actually HR round, in one way I tell you, it is you giving your lock of hair in the hands of HR. Okay, it seems to be, yeah, tell me about yourself. That is a very simple question, right? You all know, right? Okay, the very first question you go to any post, they ask, just can you introduce yourself? Or can you please tell about yourself? Yeah, tell about yourself. These are the different questions asked, one and the same, one and the same. Okay, these are the questions asked. It seems to be so simple. Yeah, what is there? It is about me only. No, I can tell. Yes, I will explain you in the coming classes how simple it is. Okay, and how people face problems when you answer this question. Okay, we will discuss in detail about the interview in a topic called interview skills. We will be having the HR round questions topic. Okay, at that time we will discuss in detail what is HR round and all. Okay, so in order to explain that or answer, or you want, or in order to communicate your content or knowledge of your skill and all, you need language. That is a small area on which I'm going to focus on. Okay, now before I continue something, I just would like to tell you a small story. Willing to listen to a story? Responses, please. Can I have response? Yes, yes. Okay, okay. I tell you a small story. Okay, good, good, good. You like to listen stories. But I know very well that you also are expert in telling stories. Your mommy will ask you, yes, why are you late to home? No, my friend, he met with an accident. He is admitted in the hospital. I attended. Yes, this is the response, right? I know you are very good storytellers. Anyhow, let me tell you a small story. Okay, shall I? Yeah, with your permission, I am here with a small story, with a small message even. Okay, the story goes like this. Once upon a time, there is, like you all know Lord Indra, right? Okay, okay. So one fine day, these farmers, they need rains for cultivation, right? So farmers, they were not, this Lord Indra is very much annoyed with these farmers. These farmers, they are not remembering me in their prayers. Okay, he is very angry and he told farmers, you see, I will not give rain for 12 continuous years. What he says, I will not give rain. I don't shower rain on your area for 12 continuous years. Then immediately small farmers, they are so disappointed. They requested Lord Indra, but he was not ready to bless them with rain. Then again these people asked, then finally, in order to escape from them, he said, okay, I will shower rain on you when Lord Shiva, he plays his drum. Lord Shiva, he have his drum, no? Okay, and once if he play his drum, then I will shower rain. With that condition, he said, and he secretly went to Lord Shiva and said, you see, I have told the condition like this with them. You don't play the drum. Then immediately these four farmers, they go to Lord Shiva and ask, Lord Shiva, please play the drum. No, 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 no. I will not play drum whenever people ask like this. No, I have certain time. At that time only, I will play the drum. So he purely, very straightforwardly, he rejected that he is not going to play the drum. Then all farmers, they were too disappointed, and then stopped doing all cultivation works like plowing and sowing the seeds, irrigation, everything came to an end. Like it came to an halt, just like our lockdown, you know. Okay. Then there is one farmer who, though he knows that it is not going to rain, he used to sow the seeds, plow the fields, do everything, all the cultivation works. He did the first year, second year, and third year. When he is continuing the third year also, though there are no rains, all the remaining farmers, they make fun of him. What is this? We are not going to get rain anyhow. Why are you doing all these sorts of nonsense? Then this farmer, he will not say anything. No, no. What the thing is that we are not going to get rain till 12 years. But in case if we don't cultivate, if we don't practice that skill of sowing, plowing and all for 12 years, after 12 years when it rains, we lose the skill of cultivation. I repeat once again, the farmer says that though there is no rain, I know very well that, but still, if we don't do that work, the cultivation work or skill, if we don't have touch with that, if we don't practice that, I am going to lose that skill. After 12 years, I may not be knowing how to do my work. So, with that intention, I am doing this. This conversation was heard by wife of Lord Shiva. Then she was very much impressed and she went to Lord Shiva and says, see, he is afraid that he is practicing and he is afraid that he is going to lose the, forget the method of cultivation and all. What about you? It's almost 3 years. Did you check that you are good at playing drums or not? You once better check like that, she says. Immediately this man, oh, what is this? Am I so? Yes, really, it's long time. He starts playing the drum. The moment he starts playing the drum, it starts showering. The rain starts. It starts raining. The moment it started raining, immediately this man who is ready with all his land and all, immediately he started his work and he got the production. He was the first person to get the production. Hope everybody understood this story. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. Now, responses, please. What is the moral of the story? Response, please. Whatever happens, we should not stop our work. Then we get success one day. Yes, who's that? Number 569. Very good. 569. Yeah, and not to lose hope. Yes, nice one, madam. Thank you. 5C8, 5C8. Yeah. And so I just wanted to, whatever happens, we should not lose hope. Yeah. If we stop practicing, we lose our skill. Exactly. Okay. We should continue our work in any situation. Correct? Correct? We need to practice always. Okay. Keep on practice. We will improve. Yes. Not lose hope. Yes. 5E2. Yes. Very good. 571. Varun, I have a doubt that how he is cultivating for 3. He did not cultivate. He is just doing his work. That's it. Okay. Though we are not on the edge of the opportunity now, still we need to be thriving for it. Yes, exactly. Exactly. 5C8. Good, good, good. Good response. And I am expecting few more responses from you people. Because you should listen, you should also be good at typing skills, right? Practice your work though you are perfect. Yes. Yes, exactly. I agree. I absolutely agree. Don't give up easily. Yes, we should be strong with our dedication. Who's that? 573. Okay. And so yes. So we have to don't give up easily. Practice makes only man perfect. Okay. Practice makes mankind perfect. Agreed with me? 4G9? Nagendra. It's not only the women, you know, now it's practice make, yeah, practice make man perfect. Yes, ma'am. Yes, yes. Mankind perfect. Right. Okay. So yes, practice makes mankind perfect. You see, I don't know whether how many people have taken it in a positive way or no, negative way. COVID-19 is a blessing in a disguise. Okay, it's a blessing in disguise. We now have very sufficient time, more than sufficient time, to analyze or to rethink about ourselves, to just uh, uh, evaluate ourselves, where we are, in which area we are good, in which area we are weak, and how to make that weak area into strong area, how to convert that weak area into strong area, what is required to be done. Okay, all this analysis you have to have, and that analysis should be practiced. It should be kept in practice. You should see this time has given you, this COVID-19 has given you quality time to analyze about yourself. In case if it is a normal regular days, maybe you will be busy with the project, that, this and all. So you might not be getting that much of quality time to think, rethink about yourself. But now this COVID has given you sufficient time to think, rethink, and improve your weaknesses. I mean, make your weaknesses into strength, convert your weaknesses into your strengths. Okay, maybe communication skills or maybe technical skills, whatever it may be, this is the right time to improve or enhance your skills. Okay, so as you said, practice makes man perfect. Now my question is, how many of you are, I don't want about your technical things, your what can I say, apti and all. Okay, I am speaking about my area of communication skills. How many of you are doing like that farmer who is cultivating, though he thinks that there will be no rains? We have as much time of that we can restart our whole career opportunities. Yes, 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 exactly. So okay, okay, no, so in this, okay, better late than never. It's better late than never. Instead of never, at least let us be late. Okay, nothing wrong. No, ma'am, not ready with our work. Okay, start. Start. A good start is half done. Okay, let us start. Let us start practicing communication skills. You start communicating in English. You say, how can you communicate suddenly when you go for interview? Is it possible? No, you see, your mother tongue, let us see. How many of you are good at your mother tongue? Yes, anybody? Please give your response. How many of you think that you are good at mother tongue? Please respond the students who feel that you are good at your mother tongue. Only those students, because I am not good at mother tongue. Let me admit it. Okay. Now you tell me sincerely, wholeheartedly, how many of you are good at mother tongue? Perfect. No, I am not at all. I am also with you, my dear. 5G9. Yes. And okay. Okay. No, I am asking those who uh, respond publicly, ma. Okay. Those who are good at your mother tongue only respond. I am very good at speaking, man. Okay. What about written? Mother tongue, it will be in written and also spoken form, right? We are not perfect, but we will think we are perfect. Yes, exactly. 519. Yeah. Written also, man. Yes, written also. You are good. Okay. I am not going to test you. You test yourself. After this class, you do one thing. Take out. I am conducting a very difficult exam. Mind you, I am conducting a very difficult exam to test yourself about your mother tongue. Okay. The test is those who feel that you are good at mother tongue. Let me go with the majority. Majority of the people speak Telugu speaking people. So let me have conduct a test to you, offline test for you people. Okay. I'm good at my mother tongue. Okay, good. 591. You just make a trial of this. Okay. After completion of this session, you do one thing. What you do is you take a paper. Very difficult exam. I'm telling you, Master. 591. Okay. Yes. Okay, madam. Yes. Okay. Okay. Test is you take a paper and write Auto Bandira without any mistake and without anybody's help. Don't touch YouTube also, okay? Don't touch YouTube also. I know because Google Mata is there. No, you just touch her, she will give information. Okay, let us be sincere to ourselves. Okay, so how many of you can write Auto Bandira without any mistake, without in the exact correct shape? I'm telling you. You write in some other different shape and say, madam, this is E only. No, okay, I can't write. Yes, majority of the people, because yeah, okay, madam, I can do that, madam. Okay, go try. If possible, put the pic to me, please. Pic forward that pic to me after writing. I just check it. But mind you, don't take the help of anybody. Okay, I can do that. Try. Very good. Okay, so mother tongue, the language which we 24 by 24 cross 7, we are listening to it, we are speaking, we are looking at, and all that language itself, we are not thorough. What about the foreign language, a second language for us, so called English? How can you be thorough with this? I mean, we are not expecting thorough at least. How can we speak fluently? Is it practically possible? Just think and tell me. We are not, we don't. Okay, I have one more question here. I have one more question. Answer in the chat box, please. My question is, for how much time you speak English out in the 24 hours? Answer, please. Being professional, so-called professional students, how much time you speak English in 24 hours? 3 hours you speak? Very good. I'm not talking about that chatting English, ma. Please, for God's sake, don't touch that. I see, morning onwards, not morning, from few days onwards, I'm getting headache just because you are chatting. That's a big story again, I tell you. How good the final year professional students are. I'll tell about that later. I'll talk to you about that later. Very, very less time. Okay. 24 hours, but we will mix it up with our mother tongue. Okay. No, I am talking about not mixture and all in English. How much time you speak English? Not totally, but most of our language in like English. Exactly. Okay. Yes, we make English language. Not at all. Okay. Then how can you improve that? You don't speak English language. Basically, it is a foreign language. Okay. But you need jobs. Okay. You want to bag the jobs. But in order to bag the jobs, it is an open secret that jobs, interviews, everything will be conducted in only English. But you don't, by mistake also, you don't speak English. How can you expect jobs? That is the question now. Think of for 15 seconds what to do. Okay, respond. Give response in chat box. Is it possible we don't speak even for 1 hour? We don't use the language at all, but we want to speak, we want to get the jobs, the interviews which are being conducted in English. Is it possible? Not possible. Then what is the solution? What is the solution for this problem? Ultimately, we want jobs. We are not going to compromise with that because we are struggling for that from last 15 to 17 years onwards. So how can we compromise with that? We can't compromise. Obviously, we can't compromise. Then where is the solution? Okay. Okay. So actually now the time is 4:13. Shall we continue in the next class? I hope you know the timetable. Yes, anybody, please unmute yourself and tell me whether you know the timetable or not. Unmute yourself and tell me whether you know the timetable or not. No, you don't know the timetable. Okay, okay, okay. You do one thing. I just drop the timetable in that WhatsApp group. Okay, right. Shall we wind up the session for today? It's almost like we started at 3:15. It's almost like 4:15. Okay, I do one thing. Okay, okay. we do one thing. I just extend for some more time and I'll try to wind up because I should understand from your point of view also. From morning also you had some classes and all like so the technical issues like charging and data and all will be a problem. So I can understand from your point of view. It's interesting, ma'am. Yes, yes, yes. It is interesting. It is interesting because we are not talking about somebody else. We are talking about ourselves. Obviously, it should be interesting. It should be interesting because it is about ourselves. No? What to do? What next? That is a big question mark, right? So we will discuss. Definitely, we continue the topic. And you see, I'm just trying to analyze you and make you think what is required to learn in my class. In which area we are weak and what to be done. How can we back the job? Simple thing. Okay, that is the exact thing what I want to focus. Okay, again after this one you will be having company specific training sessions, like I think you know your seniors have attended that TCS training session and all. That is the company specific one. This one is internal, from the internal training session of our college. Okay, if you are able to follow this, it will be easy for you to follow the company specific. Depending upon the company, what style of interview will be conducted, accordingly the company specific training will be given. That will be done once if the college is reopened. Okay, then anyhow, meanwhile this you should have some touch with this training session and all, keeping in mind that point, the management, the TNP cell and the principal, though this hour is not there in the syllabus setting, you know your syllabus. This is not included by with the universe JNTUK and all. It is just out of the interest of principal, management and TNP cell. That's it, for the benefit of student, for the benefit of student. Okay, so you have to avail it up to the mark. So let me try to end up the session with the last 10 minutes, and again we will continue. Okay, what are the, say, what is, in which area we require, what is the requirement for us, where we are in that, and how far we have to reach that, what are the activities we will go with that in order to improve. Okay, I want to focus on self introduction, very important thing. I want to focus on self introduction, in which you are going to give self introduction. That now I am the host, so I am able to tell you, and you people like 178 people are able to listen. Okay, in the same way I want you people, the people who want to be get placed in the companies, you people are going to give self introduction in this way. Okay, we will have self introduction. We also will have jam session in the Zoom class. We also will have group discussion also in this Zoom class. Okay, so in the especially you may be thinking online class only, it will be a one-man show. Madam will speak for half an hour, 1 hour, and then she will quit. No, it's not like that. We are going to have activities in the classroom. It's for sure. Okay, and I want 100% participation from your side. Okay, with that I just would like to conclude the session, and I stop with a question, how to improve. Now what to be done? We are not speaking English, we are not at all speaking English, but we need to speak. Okay, so there is a mismatch there. Then how to bind it and how to rectify that, and finally how to reach the ultimate goal of ours, that is to bag the job. That only should be. Remember one thing, the takeaway point of today's session. Remember today's takeaway point. The ultimate target of your attitude, your student attitude of final year especially, is by the end of next academic year, you should quit out of this college with a BTech certificate in the right hand and course completion certificate, sorry, and with an offer letter in the left hand and quit out of CRR. That only should be your attitude. That only should be your focus. What to be done for that? One is BTech certificate in your right hand and offer letter in the left hand. That's it. Move and explore the world. The world is waiting for you. Got it? Yes? Okay. So now in the next coming session, our session is going to start with a discussion on we are not speaking English, but we need English. What to be done? That is the continuation point of our next class. Okay. And here I would like to share a small video. Please have a view of that. Okay. A video of maybe 3 minutes as such. Please respond in the chat box whether you are able to view the video or not.
This is a story of an eagle. An eagle has the longest lifespan of its species. Against a rock until it plucks it out. Then the eagle will wait for a new beak to grow before it plucks out the talons. When the new talons grow back, the eagle starts plucking its thick, heavy feathers. After this, the eagle takes its famous flight of rebirth and lives for another 30 years. Why is the change needed? To survive and live. We too have to start the change process. We also have to pluck our unpleasant memories, negative habits, and fixed mindset. Only freed from the past burdens can we take advantage of the present. Let's soar again.
Yeah, coming back. So you just now witnessed a video. Hope you all witnessed. Response please in the chat box. Yes, okay, fine. So, ma'am, please send class video to show other students. Oh, record, yes, this video classes will be recorded, but that is supposed to be submitted to the principal, sir. But no problem, we will once again discuss few points now and then in the class, no problem. They were late, So they have to miss something, right? Let them. Okay, right. Okay, so as in this video, if you understood that eagle, you know, after certain period, the weight of the eagle, see, eagle should fly high, very high. Okay, the feather weight and all will be increasing. It cannot go high, and then at the same time, its beak also will become blunt. It cannot eat the flesh and all. Its claws, okay, I think you know what is the eagle claws. Its claws also will be blunt. It cannot tear the flesh and all, so it cannot have its proper food. If it don't work out on that, after some years, it will die. But instead, if it is strongly committed and if it want to continue or sustain its life, then what it does is it will rub its beak and claws on the rocks, so that the previous ones will be removed, and the new claws and new beak and even the feathers also, it will pluck its own feathers and throw away, so that the new, which are lightweight feathers, again those will be generated in its body. Okay, so in this way, if that happens, again eagle is having a certain lifespan. In case if that eagle don't commit to have that change and experience that struggle, it is a struggle to rub the beak and claws on the rocks is a struggle. To pluck the feathers from the body is a struggle. Unless and until it don't experience that struggle, and unless and until it don't have that strong commitment to live further, okay, it will not have the further life. So in order to have the further happy life, that eagle has decided to change, decided to do something. So now it is your turn to decide what to do in order to get placed in the companies. So now change is needed very badly to survive in this global pandemic era. Okay, so with this, I would like to end my session, and the last point which we have discussed are, we are not speaking English, but we need to speak English to get the jobs. So what to do? With this, I am going to end my session. I am giving you 1 minute of time. Any queries, you please text in the chat box so that I'll answer it and then wind it up. Yes, please. Ma'am, please send the class video to show. Thank you, madam. Only 100 people are able to attend the timetable, please. Yes, timetable. I am going to post it in the WhatsApp group. Okay, finally a group. Okay, and any more queries from your side? Give chance to all. Yes, definitely. Actually, I thought this Zoom we are going to have more number of participants. Definitely, I will try to rectify this to increase the number of participants. Okay, and any more? And any more? Okay, okay, fine then. So let's call it a day. Let's wind up with a positive hope. Have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe, and stay healthy. Okay, thank you. Bye bye. You can leave, and I'll post the timetable in the WhatsApp chat accordingly, and I'll send the link also. And one kind request from my side is, please don't text me in WhatsApp group, please. N number of students. You see, this group is a combination of WhatsApp group is a combination of different branches like CSC, IT, EC, etc. Okay, and those many people responding, you know, it's a big problem for me. So better please kindly understand this. In case if it is really a genuine one, yes, you text. I welcome it. I welcome it. Okay. You please, if you have any queries, yes, good. But unnecessarily, please don't text anything. Okay. Thank you all. Thank you. Have a nice time. Bye bye. You can leave. Bye.